Good morning, children. I hope you are doing well. In our previous class, we have learned addition of two-digit carrying sums. In today's class, we will do reader work page number 67 and story sums from page number 68. So watch the video attentively and do the assigned work. Thank you. Have a nice day. Now, children, we are doing exercise 3. Write today's date here. Okay, here ones place, tens and hundreds. The numbers here 9 and 2. So count after 9. 9 you can keep in your mind. After 9, take out your two fingers. After 9, 10, 11. So how do you write 11? 1 on ones place, 1 carry over to tens place. Now here 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 6. So after 6, take out your 6 fingers and count. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So how do you write 12? 2 on tens place, 1 carry over to hundreds place. So there is no number here. So we will put this number here on hundreds place. Your sum is 121. Right? Okay. On ones place you have 3 and 7. Remember, always start from ones place. So you can count after the big number. After 7, take out your 3 fingers. After 7, 8, 9, 10. So how do you write 10? 0 on ones place, 1 carry over to tens place. Now you have 7 and 1. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 3. After 8, 9, 10, 11. So 1 on tens place, 1 goes to hundreds place. So we don't have any number here, so you can write this one here on hundreds place. So your answer is 110. Right? Okay. Now here on ones place you have 7 plus 4. So take out your 4 fingers and count after 7. 8, 9, 10, 11. So how do you write 11? 1 on ones place, 1 carry over to tens place. Now you have 5 plus 1. 5 plus 1 is 6. Then take out your 6 fingers. After 6 count 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 2 on tens place, 1 goes on hundreds place. So we don't have any number, so you can just put this one here on hundreds place. So your sum is 121. Okay, one more sum I will show you. 9, count after 9, take out your 8 fingers. So after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So 17, 7 comes on ones place, 1 carry over to tens place. Now 8 plus 1 is 9, 9 plus 4. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So how do you write 13? 3 on tens place, 1 goes on hundreds place. So you can write this one here on hundreds place. Now we will also do story sums exercise 4. Okay, read out this. In a pond there are 89 frogs and 23 turtles. In a pond there are 89 frogs and 23 turtles. Find the total number of frogs and turtles. So let us write this two-digit number 89 and 23. So we will write in tens and ones place. 89, 8, 9. 23, 2 and 3. Right? If there are 3 digits, then we can use hundreds place also. So now Let us put addition sign here and count it. After 9, take out your 3 fingers. After 9, 10, 11, 12. So 1 on 10th place, 2 comes here. Now here 8 plus 1 is 9, 9 plus 2, 10, 11. So 1 comes on 10th place, 1 goes on 100th place. So you can write this one here on 100th place. So total number of frogs and turtles is 112. Easy? Okay, I will show you the next one also. Rita has 64 Barbie stickers and 48 kitty stickers. How many stickers does she have in total? So here 64 Barbie stickers and 48 kitty stickers. So let us write the numbers in tens and ones place. 64, 64, and next number is 48. Write here 48. Put the addition sign here. Okay, let us count. You can count after the big number. After 8, take out your 4 fingers. It will be easy for you to count. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So how do you write 12? 12 is 1 and 2. So this 2 is in 1's place and 1 is in 10's place. So write this 2 on 1's place. 1 goes to 10's place. Now here 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 4. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 1 on 10th place, 1 goes to 100th place. So this same 1 you write on 100th place. So 112. Total stickers are 112. So Rita has how many? 112 stickers in total. Okay, can you do this third and fourth one? So try to do, put the numbers and just count it. Okay, children? Okay, we will meet in our next class. Thank you.